Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Majd, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to be talking about one of my favorite altcoins, Enjin. And there is just so much going on in the world of Enjin, so much to talk about, so much news, so much developments, and right now it's at the forefront of NFTs, and so far it's been having an amazing year. And in this video I'm going to be explaining why I think Enjin is literally just getting started, and also by the end of this video I'm going to be giving you my personal Enjin price prediction for the end of the year. We're also going to get into a bunch of Enjin news that is just so exciting. So if you're excited for that, make sure to hit that like button and also make sure to hit subscribe for more videos like this. Anyways, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So the first thing that I want to say is that we actually talked about Enjin on January 20th of 2021. And it's pretty crazy because at the time I made that video, Enjin was literally trading at 36 cents. And right before that video, I actually picked up a bag of Enj, and you can see that it absolutely exploded. And just to give you some context, the video was called Top 4 Undervalued Altcoins You Don't Want to Miss. And man, you did not want to miss Enjin when it was trading at 34 cents. Now, although it had this incredible price rally, like I said, I think Enjin is just getting started, and my price target is probably gonna blow your mind, and I'm gonna justify why I think my price target is very reasonable for Enj in this cycle. Anyways, firstly, I want to talk about what is Enjin, and more importantly, what is their coin Enj. So Enjin is a platform that allows developers to easily create in-game items as NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. So developers can create these items through Enjin, through their SDKs, software development kits, and then easily integrate them into their games. So there's so many types of games that have in-game items, and taking those in-game items onto the Ethereum blockchain is just a whole new level, because it means that for the first time, the gamers can actually own their in-game items. Like right now, all the in-game items, well, at least most of them for the games that haven't migrated their in-game items to NFTs, you don't actually own your in-game items. Instead, you own a copy of those items, and they're managed on a central database in that gaming company's databases. So if that company was to go down, or they turned off their servers, or their database gets hacked, you actually lose all your in-game items. So having in-game items as NFTs means that for the first time, the gamers actually own their items, which is such a big deal. And it means that we're going to be able to trade in-game items with other gamers the same way that we trade NFTs right now or any other cryptocurrency on the Ethereum blockchain. And on top of that, it also makes in-game items super liquid and easily sellable for real life currency. Whereas right now it's super difficult to convert your in-game items into real life dollars, and sometimes you have to go through some shady websites to do so. I remember when I used to play CSGO, it was not easy to convert your skins into real life currency. So that's the power of Enjin. It's a platform for creating in-game NFTs. And right now, NFTs are absolutely exploding, and it's all the hype right now. So that's why I think Enjin is still, even at $2.25, insanely undervalued. And the first news is called their Jumpnet. So they created a private Ethereum network. Launching April 6, Jumpnet is a high-speed bridge network that will allow free instant on-chain transaction of Enjin coin and ERC1155 tokens. So ERC1155 tokens is a Ethereum protocol that allows you to create NFTs. So basically that's NFTs. So Enjin is partly solving Ethereum's gas fee problem, and they're making it so that you can transact Enjin and NFTs created on the Enjin platform for free through their Jumpnet solution. Jumpnet is a private version of the Ethereum blockchain with a proof of authority method of consensus, enabling instant, secure, gasless on-chain transactions. And as you guys probably already know, the gas fees on Ethereum is such a big problem right now. So the fact that Enjin is somewhat solving this is such a big deal. In its first iteration, Jumpnet will launch with all of the core mechanics necessary for a great blockchain experience. Move Enjin coin from Ethereum to Jumpnet. Send and receive Enjin coin and ERC1155 tokens for free. Mint ERC1155 tokens for free. trade ERC1155 tokens for free, distribute Enjin coin and ERC1155 tokens via QR code for free, automatically distribute ERC1155 tokens from your app or game for free. This is the experience everyone expects from software products in the year of 2021, and that is so true. We expect free instant transactability, unlike what Ethereum is giving us right now. So the Jumpnet is actually coming out April 6th, so that's not very far from now. And so this is some really big news coming for Enjin. The next thing that I want to talk about is Efinity, which is a decentralized blockchain for creating NFTs on Enjin. Launching in 2021, so we don't have an exact date, Efinity is a decentralized blockchain for NFTs that will support next generation token features and assets from any blockchain. A decentralized blockchain, Efinity will enable users, developers, and enterprise to harness NFTs and next generation token features with zero friction. As an open cross-chain solution, Efinity will address the problem of increasing market fragmentation head-on, lowering the barriers to entry, simplifying the user experience, and putting Enjin at the center of encouraging mass adoption of tokenization. So again, that is a big deal, and that's also coming out in 2021. So if you haven't noticed, a lot of things are coming out in 2021 in the middle of a bull run. The next piece of news is that Enjin's wallet is now going to support Polkadot and Polkastarter projects. So you can now safely store, manage, and convert Polkadot and Kusama in the Enjin wallet. So that again is a really cool thing, and it only makes the Enjin wallet all that more useful. Now the next piece of news is that this company called Labs is going to start distributing real estate tokens through Enjin. Enjin and Lab Groups to democratize real estate industry with NFT property titles. Labs Group will use the Enjin platform to mint and issue non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that represent fractionalized real estate assets, making real estate investments more accessible than ever. We all knew that real estate would eventually become tokenized so that it's so much easier to buy, sell, and trade real estate, and it seems like Enjin might play a very big part in this, which is extremely exciting. Enjin and Labs Group have announced a collaboration that will enable everyday people to buy fractionalized real estate assets for as little as 100 USD. So you don't have to buy an entire apartment if you want to invest in real estate or even a house. So now anybody, even like regular people, can buy a fraction of a property or a piece of real estate for as little as 100 USD and increase accessibility to real estate investment, which has been largely reserved for established institutions and wealthy investors. These tokenized property titles minted as NFTs via the Enjin platform will significantly lower the barrier to entry for investing into high-yield properties like hotels and apartments, and allow approved property developers to crowdfund through a wide network of retail investors. The tokenization of fractional shares can increase liquidity within the global real estate market, which represents the world's largest asset class, valued at $228 trillion. So imagine real estate coming to Enjin. This is probably the biggest news I have for you guys today, and this is absolutely huge. And I really do think that this alone, the tokenization of real estate on Enjin, could make Enjin a top 10 cryptocurrency. So anyways, the last thing that I want to talk about is that there is just so much new games that are partnering with Enjin and using the Enjin SDKs to start minting their in-game items on Ethereum. And one of those games, and I'm sure you guys have heard about it because it made some real waves in the crypto space, is Age of Rust. So Age of Rust is available on Steam, and it's using Enjin to distribute its in-game items, and you're going to be able to trade these in-game items basically with other players. And this game is really such a big deal, and I've said it before and I'll say it again. I think gaming is what's going to make blockchain mainstream, and Enjin is literally at the forefront of that. So now for my Enjin price prediction. Enj, the Enjin native asset, currently has a market cap of $1.9 billion. And I believe that near the end of this cycle, Enj will have a $10 billion market cap. So for reference, USDC, Bitcoin Cash, and Chainlink roughly have a $10 billion market cap. So it might seem like, how can Enjin get to, for example, Chainlink's market cap? Well, as you guys know, the entire crypto space's market cap is going to be expanding. And so likely by the end of the cycle, Chainlink will have a much larger market cap than $11 billion. So then when you expand the market cap of Chainlink, USDC, Bitcoin Cash, it makes a lot more sense for Enjin to have a $10 billion market cap or higher. So a $10 billion market cap for Enjin will represent a 5x from here, because its current market cap is about 1.9. So what 10 divided by 1.9 is about 5 point something. And so if we multiply Enjin's price by 5, which is currently at $2.30, that gives us about a $12 Enjin. So that is where I think we could be seeing Enjin by the end of this cycle. I believe a $10+ Enj coin is very possible and very much on the table. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Also, make sure to join our Discord server. I'll leave a link to that down in the description below. There's a lot going on there. And also hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.